I was like, what? Y'all 3 years behind, 5, 6 years behind? I'm like, okay, no problem. Can you reduce it? Like, how can you help me? But they didn't. They're like, we want $800 in 60 days. All right, so I paid them. All right, but anyways, this is what I use. Whoever asked that question, I don't know who that was. This is what I use.
Is this something? I'm sorry. Is this something that you're getting filled out at the same time that you're doing the iBuyer presentation?
I'm not gonna have them a whole lot of paperwork up front. But once they agree, oh yeah, if they agree to me, they want to do for sale by owner, and they're gonna let me do the open house. Yeah, I'm doing this. Hey, for me to do the open house, you see how easy it is? Look at this.
Yeah.
It's not. I mean, it's not this.
Right. That's scary.
It does the same exact thing. EXP is not giving me any pushback over this. I've sent this to Michael Brock, the broker of EXP, Sharon Pritchett of Georgia. They love my stuff, right? What we do with the 9 VIP buyer benefits, all that stuff, I send it all to them. They're like, all right, AT, you good. Okay, I can show y'all emails from them. All right, so anyway, moving on. Any questions about, this is what I use for permission to show unlisted homes.
So just to make sure, in order to submit to express offers, you have to have a contract. So this can be submitted in lieu of the contract, either or.
Have you been through the express offer training? Just want to make sure.
Yeah, I'm done with it, but yeah, you can't really practice in it. Yeah.
And I'm going to cut you off. Go ahead.
No, you go ahead. I'm sorry.
Okay, so here in the upper, these 3 dots, submit a property right here. It walks you through step by step what to do. Also, which is boom, 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 boom. I'm doing this with them at their house, y'all. I'm doing this at the house. I'm doing this with them. I'm not going home and giving people opportunities. Who's ever wanted to buy something, was ready to buy it, and went home and changed their mind? Anybody besides me? Okay, all right. Nah, not on my watch. I gotta get that bag. I got that check. While you feeling warm, all sales are emotional sales. Do people have to buy a home? No. Do I have to buy a Gucci shirt? No. I can go to Walmart. I can go to where I started in my life. I can go to, what's the place where you can get, you donate clothes to? Goodwill, where I used to buy all my clothes when I first got started. Goodwill, right? I used to buy all my suits for $10, $20. And I'd wear them and try to get them fixed. Like
can you put that form into the chat, please? The one for showing property. The one that you just showed before. Can you put it in?
It's already on the Google Drive. Yeah. All right. I don't want to spend too much time on this. I'm just trying to help y'all who have been having problems get over the hump. So the biggest thing I can see from people who are having issues with getting over the hump is Ruben were honest enough to tell us he didn't have the documents with him. Have as much filled out as you humanly possibly can before you get there. Do not be, I know y'all think y'all movers and shakers out here and y'all trying to do everything over the telephone. Okay. People, you can't feel body language over telephone. You can't see body language over telephone. Be nice, get inside the home, take some time. You know it's gonna last 90 minutes, plan for 90 minutes, and just fill this out with them. Just like you helping your mom or your grandmother or elderly person fill out a piece of paper. That's how you should do it. And when you do that, you will walk that check all the way to your bank account and you'll help them do what they need to do, right? Because for those of you that say, well, nobody will sell their house for 70 to 85% of market value. I'm here to tell you, Mark Spain is one of the #1 agents in Georgia. He closed 1,800 homes. This is the program he markets. Does he sell 100% of his homes this way? No, maybe 1 to 5%. But this is what he markets. Why does he market this? Because this is what people want. Don't market what you want or what you think, market what people want. Okay, move on.